welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change AOL back to classic view. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the preferred web browser, then type in mail.aol.com. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on the letters on the top left corner, then select Request Desktop Website. Once you do that, in couple seconds, your screen will look somewhat like this. Now, scroll all the way to the right, then tap on Settings and select More Settings, then scroll to the left side. Now there you can see options like personalized inbox, appearance, mailboxes, etc. Now right below contacts, you're gonna see switch to basic mail. Tap on it. Now you're gonna have to share your feedback. Go ahead, type in your feedback and tap on switch to basic mail. Then you'll see that you've switched back to old classic view of AOL mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.